Hey, welcome to the channel again. Today I'm going to explain one preventive maintenance. And before you go rushing into the comment field, I acknowledge that this is one of those silly things that not everybody is ready to go through for their camper van. But in my case, I feel this is important. I hope it extends my camper van life. It is the preventive corrosion protection for the van chassis, which is the frame of the camper van. I have booked a time for a specialist because I have no abilities or workshops to sandblast the corrosion away, for example. So I give a professional workshop money and they do it for me. But before I bring my camper van to their workshop, I'm going to clean one of those wheel arch rear parts that collect a lot of mud and sand and moisture. So if you want to do that for your camper van, I think that is one annual trick to keep the corrosion at bay from the chassis.
Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges and fun of living in a self-made camper van. Welcome aboard!
As you see, I have already started at it. And here's the first one, the front wheel arch. When I take these two small screws away, there's the other screw there underneath the tire, of course. Anyway, when I take these away, it's easy access to the pocket over here. The procedure is very simple, super easy for anyone to do. And yeah, let's get going. This is how we start this easy preventive maintenance against corrosion. We have a wheel arch, and here is the pocket, which I know is full of mud and moist debris. I have my key bit. It is T25 for me, but whichever works for your screws here. Very carefully, I don't want to snap the key slot nor the screw, and you are able to get the screws out in one piece without damaging anything. Here we have, I think this is greetings from Denmark, perhaps. Looks like a beach grass. Yeah, and I use old plastic spoon for cleaning. You can use whatever tool you feel suitable, but avoid metal because you don't want to scrape the paint or the surface. So plastic is usually quite safe choice. And I preferably use small, long tools, but you can use a brush if you feel that is the best for you. The design is actually working. There must be some drainage holes for water, and sometimes the water is able to drain out also the sand and mud. This is good enough. And we carry on this for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Feel that our quality of work is good enough, and then I'll reattach the wheel arch plastics and move on to the next wheel arch. Simple as this. Here we are. This Mercedes Benz Sprinter front subframe is 11 years old now, and this is example of one of the locations that the workshop will sandblast during the protection treatment.
The experts sandblasted the frame, and there were 3 separate corrosion spots found which needed welding. The vehicle was treated with 3 different chemicals. First one went inside the frame structures, and the second and the third sounded like a primer and the protection coating. I don't know much about those chemicals, but I trust the experts. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time.